Hi guys, so assignment sa amin galing kay Mitch Costales na sabihin namin yung manifestations namin. So yun yung assignment ko. So today I'm parked here outside. I just came from an event here at NOH. Tapos may parang charity event. So I just wanted to show up and hopefully make the kids happy. I just wanted to see all of them. So first siguro yun yung una ko manifestation. Sana masaya sila today. Sana nag-enjoy sila. I hope the kids that I saw today, kasi may mapulot sila from today. Sana they get a cute souvenir or a cute memory out of it. Yun yung first ko. And then the next would probably be what else do I manifest? Pero personal naman, maybe career. Hopefully, more projects, more blessings to come. And not only sa akin, but also sa Maka. Sana mas tumagal pa kami para mas mapanood niyo pa kami. Sa Maka, more months, more years. Wow, years. Years to come. And more episodes to come for Maka. And then, also for my family, manifest good things for them. My mom, my dad, my grandmother. At mga pinsan ko. Okay sila sa Davao, if they're doing well. And miss ko na sila. And then, ano pa ba? Ano manifest ko? May natupad na ako, may na-manifest ko. Na malagay ako sa IG feed ni Shanti. So, one down! So, good things. Kasi may natupad na tayo manifestation. So, sana mas marami pang matupad.